We had a hopper fire today at a wood manufacturing plant.
What crews finally got here?
On arrival, we had fairly heavy smoke coming out of a hopper that had some wood product in it.
And what happened when you guys opened the hopper?
As we were working through the hopper, there was a slight dust explosion that occurred as we were trying to mitigate the fire.
And was everybody okay?
Yeah, everybody's fine.
So what is that dust explosion? Like, what happens?
It's just the dust meets oxygen and catches fire at a rapid pace.
Is it very hot? Is it dangerous?
It can be very dangerous. It has a bit of a concussion feel to it, but in the wrong conditions, it can really hurt somebody.
And once again, everybody was okay?
Everybody's fine, yeah.
And the fire's now under control?
Fire right now, we're still working on it, just making sure it hasn't entered the building.
And how much of a cleanup and overhaul is this going to be?
It should be fine. Most of it looks like it's contained to the hopper itself, so shouldn't take long.